I want to show you this Ninja Grill indoor. I am excited to show you how it is in use. And in this case, I'm just doing some hot dogs and with some mushrooms and bacon. What I like about it is that you can really do it inside of the apartment, for instance. And you also have these other options to grill with this. So this one, excuse me that I'm cooking with a little bit of both, so this one needs to be cleaned up again. However, the cool thing about this is that you can just close it like this and it will keep all the fumes to itself, and it's not going to create a big issue where it's going to trigger the fire alarm in your apartment complex or anything like it. So you can over here put the temperature 200, 300, 400 and the max, and it will let the grill, which is this one. You can utilize it for different things like hamburgers and meat and chicken and fish and everything. And then the griddle part of it as well. Right now just utilizing the griddle instead of the grill, but it's working really good. What I like about it is that you can have everything in the same place. It will drain the oil over here, and also it's very easy to clean because once I'm done, I will just turn it off and then of course wait for it to cool down, and then everything is removable. Even this part is removable, which makes the cleaning up so easy. You just clean it up, put it away, and that's it. That way you are only cleaning one item instead of several items and creating a mess in the kitchen. This will, believe it or not, make a difference. It will give you that grill sensation, and these are interchangeable. You can exchange them very easily and clean them very easily because, as you see, you can just remove it, clean it up, and replace it. So it's something that is very convenient, and we all love convenience over here.